Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 6.1. The first bit is, will these situations are in AP? He gave some situations and we need to find whether those situations are in AP or not. The first question is, the minimum taxi fare is 20 rupees for the first kilometer and thereafter 8 rupees for each additional kilometer. For example, if he traveled the first kilometer, he need to pay 20 rupees. Then he traveled 2 kilometers and 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers and so on. So now for every additional kilometer he need to pay 8 rupees extra. So original for first kilometer 20 rupees, now 8 rupees extra 28. Again for this 8 rupees extra 36, again 8 rupees extra 44. It goes on like that. So if we write this in series 20, 28, 36, 44 and so on. So when we will say that given series is in arithmetic progression if the common difference is same. Here second term minus first term 28 minus 20 is equals to 8. Third term minus second term 36 minus 28 is equals to 8. Here the common difference, that is D, is same. So we can conclude that it is in AP or arithmetic progression. The next question is, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. By looking at the question only we can easily confirm, because he is saying clearly 1/4 of the air remaining. So it is not an AP at all. But let us take one example and let us check. For example, in the beginning some 100% air is there in that. Now he is removing 1/4 of it. So how much it will be then? 1/4 of 100, that is nothing but 25. So it means 25% he is removing. So remaining how much then? 75% will be left. Then again from this 75, 1/4 he is removing. 1/4 into 75. Here 4 ones are 4, 35 will remain. 4 8s are 32. Again 3 will remain 0.7. So 18.7. It means from 75, 18.7 will be removed. So it will be 56.3. Like that only, and so on. Now if we observe the difference, second term minus first term, that is 75 minus 100, and third term minus second term 56.3 minus 75. 75 minus 100 is minus 25. The same way here 56.3 minus 75 is equals to, it is minus 18.7. Here the difference is minus 25, whereas in this case the difference is minus 18.7. So both the differences are different completely. So that's why we can conclude it is not an AP. Okay, the next question is, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 rupees for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. So for the first meter 150 rupees he need to pay. Then again for every subsequent meter it will rise by 50 rupees. So in the beginning 150 is there. 150 plus 50 200, 200 plus 50 250, 200 plus 50 plus 50 300 and so on. Now let us check whether it is in AP or not. Second term 200 minus first term 150, third term 250 minus second term 200, 200 minus 150 50, 250 minus 200 50. So here common difference is same. So we can conclude this situation is belongs to AP. Okay, the next question is, the amount of money in the account every year when 10,000 rupees is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. So without any confusion, we can directly conclude that if compound interest is there, it is not at all AP. But let us take one example and let us check. So here compound interest formula, amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Here amount we need to find, and principal, that is nothing but 10,000 what he deposited, and R is nothing but rate of interest, that is 8, n is nothing but every year. So if we substitute P, 10,000 into 1 plus R is 8 divided by 100 whole power 1. So which is equals to 10,000 of 100 into 1. 101 plus 8. 108 divided by 100. Here two zeros cancel. So we remains with 10 into 108. 108 0. Oh sorry, 10,000, right? This is here one more zero extra, one more zero extra, one more zero extra. So 10,800 rupees. Now it is compound interest. So this 10,800 rupees amount will become the principal for the next year. So again, in the place of principal, we need to substitute 10,800 rupees into 1 plus rate of interest, same as usual, 8 divided by 100 whole power 1. So 10,800 into 100 into 100 plus 8, 108 divided by 100. Here two zeros will get cancelled. So we remains with 108 into 108. Uh, 108 into 108 is nothing but 11664. Now this 11664 is the amount. In the next step, it will become the principal. So 11664 into 1 plus 8 by 100. So we get 11664 into 100 into 100 plus 8, 108 divided by 100. So this 11664 as it is into 108 by 100, 1.08. So 11664 into 1.08 is nothing but 12,597.12. Now this is the last. Still, if you want, you can do more also. More number of terms we will get. First term is 10,800. Second term is 11,664, and third term is 12,597.12. Easily we can observe this. The difference of the three is completely different. Okay, first. Second term minus first term, that is 11,664 minus 10,800 is equals to 4 here, so as it is 864. Next, third term minus second term, 12,597.12 minus 11,664 is equals to something 933.12. If we observe the differences here, those two differences are completely different. So we can conclude that this is not AB. Okay, let's move to the second bit. The second bit is write first four terms of AB. First four terms we need to write, and based on the conditions he gave. A is equals to 10. A or A1 both are same, that is nothing but first term. D is equals to 10 and common difference is 10. So let us check. First term, that is A1 or simply A, is equals to 10. Next we want second term, third term, fourth term, because he is asking only first four terms. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Now it is very easy to write the remaining terms when they give first term as well as the common difference. This common difference is there. Keep on adding that common difference to the terms. For this first term, add common difference. So 10 plus 10, 20. Again for this second term, add common difference, 20 plus 10, 30. Again for this third term, add common difference, 10, 30 plus 10, 40. So the terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. Next, second question is given as a is equals to minus 2 and d is equals to 0. A is nothing but first term, so that is also written as a is equal, a1 is equals to minus 2. Next, a2, a3 and a4. Now for all the terms we keep on adding common difference. Here common difference is 0. So for minus 2, if we add 0, minus 2 only. Again for minus 2, if we add 0, again minus 2 only. Again for minus 2, if we add 0, again minus 2 only. So the terms are minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2. Next question, a is equals to 4 and d is equals to minus 3. So a1 is equals to 4. We need to find a2, a3 as well as a4. Here common difference is given as minus 3. So for 4, if we add minus 3, 4 minus 3, 1. For 1, if we add minus 3, 1 minus 3, minus 2. For minus 2, if we add minus 3, minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. So the terms are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Next, fourth question, a is equals to minus 1 and d is equals to 1 by 2. So a1 is given as minus 1. Then we need to find a2, a3 as well as a4. Here the common difference is 1 by 2, which is in the form of a fraction or rational number. Now for this minus 1, we need to add 1 by 2. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2. If you do multiplication here, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. Now again for this minus 1 by 2, we need to add plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 0. For this 0, we need to add 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2. So the first 4 terms are minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Next question is a is equals to minus 1.25 and d is equals to minus 0.25. So a is nothing but a1. So a1 is equals to minus 1.25 and we need to find out a2, a3, a4. So here for a1 we need to add this common difference. So minus 1.25 minus 0.25. Here 0.25 will become 0.50, minus 1 minus 0 will become minus 1. So this is minus 1.50. Again for this minus 1.50 we need to add again minus 0.25, minus 0.25. 0.50, 0.25, 0.75, minus 1, minus 0, minus 1. So minus 1.75. Again for this we need to add the common difference, minus 0.25. Here it will become 0, 1 carry, 7, 8 and 0, 1 carry. So it will become minus 2. So minus 2.00. So the first 4 terms are minus 1.25, comma minus 1.50, comma minus 1.75, comma minus 2. Minus 2.00 or minus 2, both are same. Okay, let's move to the second bit. Okay, the next question is, for the following APs, write A1 and D. A1 is nothing but the first term and D is nothing but common difference. So here first term is 3. So A1 is equals to 3 and common difference is equals to second term minus first term, 1 minus 3, that is nothing but minus 2. Next, minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on is given. So A1 is equals to minus 5 and common difference is equals to second term minus 1 minus first term minus 5, which is equals to minus 5 minus of minus plus 5, minus 1 plus 5, 4. Next, 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3 is there. So the first term A1 is equals to 1 by 3 and common difference is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here both the denominators are same, so we can subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 3. Next, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 and so on. First term a1 is equals to 0.6 and common difference is equals to second term 1.7 minus first term 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6 is nothing but 1.1. Okay, the next bit is which of the following are APs, otherwise arithmetic progressions. So he gave some series. We need to find whether that series is arithmetic progression or not. How we will conclude that it is in arithmetic progression? If the common difference is same. Here second term is 4 minus first term is 2. Third term is 8 minus second term is 4. Let us do subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. Here common differences are different. So that's why it is not AP. Next, second term 5 by 2 minus first term 2. Third term 3 minus second term 5 by 2. Here 2 will multiplication, so 5 minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 2. 5 minus 4 1 by 2. Here same 2 3s are 6 minus 5 whole divided by 2. 6 minus 5 1 by 2. Here common difference is the same, otherwise simply D is same. So it is in AP. Okay, the next question. Here second term is minus 3.2 minus first term is minus 1.2. Second term is minus 3.2 minus first term. Here we will get minus 3.2 minus of minus plus 1.2. Minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is minus 2. Next, here third term is minus 5.2 minus second term is minus 3.2. So we get minus 5.2 minus of minus plus 3.2. Minus 5.2 plus 3.2 minus 2. Here both the cases the common difference is minus 2 only. So we can say that the given series is arithmetic progression. Next, second term is minus 6 minus first term is minus 10. Third term minus 2 minus second term minus 6. Here minus 6 minus of minus plus 10. Minus 6 plus 10 4. Here minus 2 minus of minus plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6 4. In both the cases the common difference is 4 only. So we can conclude that this series is arithmetic progression. Okay, the next question is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and so on. So second term is 3 plus root 2 minus first term is 3. So here plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled, so we remains with root 2. Next, third term is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus second term is 3 plus root 2. Here 3 plus 2 root 2 minus into 3 minus 3 minus into root 2 minus root 2. Here plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2, nothing but root 2. Here the common difference is root 2. Here also difference is root 2. So both the cases common difference is same. So this series is AB. Next one. Second term is 0.22 minus first term is 0.2. Next, third term is 0.222 and second term is 0.22. Just to not having confusion, I am writing here also 0. Now 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0.0. Here 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0.0. If we observe these differences, here it is 0.02, here 0.002. Both are completely different. So this series is not arithmetic progression. Okay, the next question is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Second term is minus 4 minus first term is 0. Minus 4 minus 0 minus 4. Next, third term is minus 8 minus second term is minus 4, minus 8 minus of minus plus 4, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4. Here difference is minus 4, here also difference is minus 4, so common difference is same, so we can conclude that it is arithmetic progression. Next, second term minus 1 by 2 minus first term minus 1 by 2. Third term minus 1 by 2 minus second term minus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel, so we remains with 0. Here minus 1 by 2 minus of minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cancel, so we remains with 0. In both the cases the difference is same, so we can conclude that it is in AP. The next question is 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. Second term is 3 minus first term is 1. Third term is 9 minus second term is 3. So if we do subtraction, 3 minus 1 2, 9 minus 3 6. In the first case the difference is 2, in the second case the difference is 6. Here common difference is not there, so that's why this series is not arithmetic progression. Here second term 2a minus first term a. Third term 3a minus second term 2a. 2a minus a. 3a minus 2a, a. So here common difference is there. So otherwise difference is same. So this is AB. Okay, the next question is a square, a cube, a power 4 and so on. Here second term is a square minus first term is a. Next, third term is a power 3 minus second term is a square. Here a square minus a. Here for a power is 2, here for a power is 1. So if both the powers are different, we cannot do subtraction. So it will be as it is a square minus a only. Here a cube minus a square, both the powers are different, so we cannot simplify this also, as it is a cube minus b square. If we observe these two are completely different, so this is not AB. Next, first term root 2, then root 8, then root 18, then root 32 and so on. So first I will simplify the given terms. So first one root 2, it is already in the simplified form only, so as it is root 2. Next, root 8, if we observe, here root 8 can be written as root 4 2s. Root 4 is 2, root 2 as it is. Next, root 18 is equals to root 9 2s. Root 9 value is 3, here root 2 is as it is. Next, root 32 is equals to root 16 2s. Root 16 is 4 times root 2. So now I will just change the question to this. Root 2 is nothing but root 2. Root 8 is nothing but 2 root 2. Root 18 is nothing but 3 root 2. Root 32 is nothing but 4 root 2 and so on. Now we need to find whether it is AP or not. Second term root 2 root 2. First term root 2. Third term 3 root 2. Second term 2 root 2. Let us check. Okay. Third term minus second term 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is nothing but root 2. Second term minus first term 2 root 2 minus root 2 root 2. Here common difference is root 2, that is same. So we can conclude this series is AB. Okay, the last question in this exercise is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. So first, I will check whether any simplification is possible. Root 3 we cannot simplify, so as it is root 3 only. Root 6 we cannot simplify, so root 6 only. Root 9, yes, we can simplify. Root 9 is nothing but 3 because 3 square is 9. Next, root 12. Root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So root 4 is nothing but 2 root 3 as it is. So now whatever the terms they gave, I am writing in one series again. Root 3, root 6. Root 9 is nothing but 3, so that's why I'm writing 3. Here root 12 is nothing but 2 root 3, so I'm writing that 2 root 3 and so on. Now second term minus first term. Here second term is root 6 minus first term is root 3. If we observe here, root 6 is an irrational number and root 3 is an irrational number, so we cannot simplify with this further. So answer is root 6 minus root 3 only. Next, third term is 3 minus second term is root 6. 3 minus root 6 and root 6 minus root 3. These two values are completely different. So this is not in AP. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.
They told me to enter the email ID address, sir. Our own address.